If you want to edit a slow motion video on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to the gallery. Over here we need to open the slow motion video that we wish to edit. And then here at the bottom of the thumbnail, we can find this icon, this circle with another circle behind, which we can use in order to edit the slow motion effect, and we can choose where the effect should be applied. So if I want to, I can move it around, and I can, for example, add it only to the last part of the video or something. If I want to, I can also extend it all the way and have the slow motion effect applied on the full video, on maybe just a tiny part over here. So it's up to you how you want to, of course, use it. Once you are done, we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner, and then our phone will generate the edited video. And there we go. We have two versions, of course. So this is still like the raw version of the video that we can still edit if we want to, whereas this one is, of course, now generated with the tools that we used. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.